Disclaimer before you watch this video, if you're looking for some scientific suspension testing, I'm not going to find it. You're just going to find me almost falling and running over a 4x4 going pretty fast without standing. Enjoy the show. Hey there YouTube, got a bike, gonna do a suspension test today on my Monster T's and my, what is this, Fox Vanilla R, nothing special. So we'll be doing this at multiple speeds, playing it back on the camera in slow motion, be driving over that and maybe a series of 2x4s, maybe bigger objects. Okay, we're gonna start this off with high pressure. That's 40 psi on the front tire and 34 psi in the rear. I can't go any higher than that. It's already over max. This is a cheap tire. Okay, this is at 15 kilometers an hour, and I will just be sitting and basically closing my eyes as I go over it. At 15 kilometers an hour, I don't even feel it. Go for 25. Okay, I didn't even feel that, so there's no point in lowering the tire pressure, so here we go. I got a 4x4 and that. I'm gonna do the same speed tests, 15 and then 25. Definitely felt that one. Now we'll do the 25 kilometers an hour. Should be interesting. Definitely smoother. That was like nothing. Okay, so I'm gonna pop my tires if I lower the tire pressure. Okay, I know I said I was gonna lower my tire pressure, but I think I'm gonna pop my tire if I do that. So hopefully you guys just accept this wheelie over it. Now I know what you're all thinking. Why don't I put the wood in front of the metal? Alright, 15 kilometers an hour. Huh, that was fine. Okay. 25 kilometers an hour. And alright, you've asked for it. 45 kilometers an hour. I'm not sitting for this one. Okay. 45 is too fast. I got to 32. Sorry. Plus I got neighbors and I don't want to make them mad. So sad. Cheap tire, whatever. Alright, well I guess that's all. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, comment, like, and yeah, no matter what you're riding, get out there.